gave the box of crayons another try. Hi, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Every Tuesday, I post up makeup and beauty related videos. Every Thursday, there are vlogs, and every Sunday, there are bonus videos. Today, I have this very summer inspired, in your face, feeling the music, feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. I love how this look turned out. Guys, please join me. It's super easy. You know what? I gave the box of crayons another try, and I love it. You know what my biggest problem is with this palette? There is like this weird film that's at the top that you gotta really break through, and you cannot expect that this color that's in the pan is gonna show up on your eye. It's gonna be a different color. It's not a palette that you gotta run out and get, but if you have it, you can do some really cool looks. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop blabbing on, guys. If you're interested at all in how I did this look, please continue watching. Hi guys, let's go ahead and get started. We are starting off with the P. Louise base in the white. I think it's called the Rumor. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on the back of my hands. I'm using this so sparingly because it's not expensive. The shipping is expensive, which is crazy. So I'm just gonna tap that all over my eyelid. How are you guys doing? And for all you mommies out there, we almost done. Ladies, hold it down. As always, I already have my brows done. I did shape them a little bit, again with my NARS concealer. Then I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of like blend that top out a little bit. You guys, I am a person that is so into second chances. So I am busting out with the box of crayons again. We are giving it a second try. And you know what, guys? Second chances is actually pretty good for some people because I'm actually really liking it. Let's go ahead and play with it. This is what I've come up with. Of course, I don't have my lashes on. We going big, y'all. We going big. All right. I'm just taking a blender brush and I'm going in with this color red. And I am going to stamp that all over my crease area. Now we're not gonna put the color all the way into the inner corner like we usually do. I'm gonna add another color there. So this red does not come off red to me. It's like a beautiful pink. So just cleaning off that same brush, we're gonna go in with this color orange. This is not orange. It's a pretty color, but it's not orange. And I'm gonna put that in the inner part of my eye. Again, we are going to stamp that color in. I do like that contrast though. It's a pretty color. Again, cleaning off that same brush, I'm going into this very beautiful pink. Now we're going to use this pink, fade out that red color and get rid of that harsh line. Now this is a quick trick. So I noticed that this pink that I had placed is a lot higher than this one, and I really like the way this one turned out. So what I'm doing is the same concealer brush that I used to clean my brows, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring that down and erase some of that so that I can place the color a little lower. Now we're gonna go ahead and start our cut crease. I'm just gonna go in with my micellar water with a Q-tip, and I'm gonna clean up some of that before we add our base back in. All right, we're gonna go back in and we're gonna cut that crease using the same base. Okay, I don't know if I wasn't recording or something, but the first color we're going in with is violet. We're gonna use a stamping motion just to add that color, and we're trying to get it as close to that line as possible, and then we're gonna angle it down towards the lash line. Next, we're going in with blue. So we're gonna do kind of like a triangle motion there. So I am taking that blue and I am pushing that into that purple and back and forth with those colors just so that they are seamless. We do want them to fade in together. Finally, we're gonna go in with baby blue. And again, we're pushing the baby blue into the blue, and then we'll go back and forth just so that it's very seamless. So I am using one color. This is out of the Morphe 15S, the Social Butterfly. I really wanted that pink to pop a little bit, so I'm going in hashtag besties. And I'm just gonna run that right on top. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off all this fallout and shadow. I'm gonna line my eyes, put on some falsies and the rest of my face, and I will be back so we can finish up this eye look. See ya in a little bit. Hi guys, so I have my foundation and the rest of my face on. We're gonna go ahead and finish up this look. I think I'm just gonna kind of keep it really dark and smoky at the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with Deep Plum. My eyes are all red, guys. You know what? It's really late. So I only did that like really on the outer part, and I think I'm gonna take this very light purple to bring that in. I don't know if it's gonna show up, but I sure hope. So I'm gonna take a Stila nude pencil. I'm gonna do my waterline, and then I'm gonna do some mascara down there, and then this look will be finished. I'm just gonna add some highlight. I just really feel like this look needs it. So just a little bit. For my blush, I did go ahead and go in with NARS's Desire. For my lip color today, I did go in with Makeup Geek's Cougar. And for my highlight, I did go in with Fenty's Girl Next Door. So this is our final look. It's totally summer inspired in that music, you know, all the colors, the bright colors of the summer. That's what I was feeling. I did start this off and my husband was like, oh, I don't think those colors go together. Absolutely love how this turned out. I like the lip color. I like all of it. Yay. Doesn't it feel good when you do a makeup look and you're like, yes, I killed it. Don't forget, there is a giveaway going on right now. Again, I will link that above. I am pulling the name tomorrow. So those of you guys who are watching this, don't forget, I'm giving you 24 hours to respond back. I'm super excited. Go ahead and check out that video, guys. As always, God bless you guys all. Don't forget to come on back. Oh, hold on.